Forgotten username recovery failed on Scotia iTRADE fix. If you've forgotten your Scotia iTRADE username, you're not alone. Many investors face this issue, but the solution is simpler than most think. Step 1. Go to the Scotia iTRADE login page and click Forgot Username. Enter your email linked to the account. You'll receive an email containing your username or a link to reset it securely. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, prepare verification details such as your full name, account number, and recent trade activity. Scotia iTRADE support can use these details to verify your identity and manually recover your username. Step 3. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Follow instructions carefully and avoid multiple recovery requests at the same time to prevent delays. Step 4. If automated recovery doesn't work, contact Scotia iTRADE customer support directly. Provide all necessary verification details and explain that previous recovery attempts failed. Their team will guide you through a secure process to regain account access. Once your username is recovered, enhance security by enabling two-factor authentication and using a secure password manager. This keeps your account safe and prevents future login issues. By following these steps, you can regain full access to Scotia iTRADE quickly and continue trading, monitoring investments, and staying informed about the markets. Forgetting your username is just a temporary obstacle that can be fixed efficiently.